Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek? Like you know it's there, but it's a hassle to actually use it. We've all been there, juggling between different cards and accounts, trying to keep track of everything. But what if there was a simpler way? A way to access your investments and cash without the usual fuss. That's where the Robinhood Cash Card comes in. It's designed to bridge the gap between your investments and everyday spending, offering a seamless way to manage your finances. But the big question is, where can you actually use it? Let's dive right in. The Robinhood Cash Card is a debit card, which means it's accepted pretty much anywhere that accepts Visa. Think about your daily life. Where do you usually spend money? Groceries? Check. Whether it's a quick run to the local market or your weekly haul at a big supermarket, the Robinhood Cash Card works just like any other debit card. Eating out? Absolutely. From grabbing a quick bite at a food truck to celebrating a special occasion at a fancy restaurant, your Robinhood Cash Card is your trusty companion. Shopping? You bet. Whether you're browsing online stores or hitting the shops at the mall, the Robinhood Cash Card makes paying a breeze. Travel? Definitely. Whether you're exploring a new city or just filling up the gas tank for a road trip, your Robinhood Cash Card is accepted at countless locations. Entertainment? Of course. Catching a movie, attending a concert, or enjoying a theme park. Your Robinhood Cash Card is your ticket to fun. Bills? Yes, you can even use your Robinhood Cash Card to pay some of your bills, although it depends on whether the biller accepts Visa debit cards. Basically, the Robinhood Cash Card can be used anywhere that displays the Visa logo. That's millions of merchants worldwide, both online and in physical stores. Now, you might be wondering, what about ATMs? Good question. You can use your Robinhood Cash Card at any ATM that displays the Visa or Plus logo to withdraw cash. Keep in mind that some ATMs might charge a fee, but Robinhood doesn't charge any ATM fees themselves. But wait, there's more. The Robinhood Cash Card comes with some cool perks. One of them is the roundups feature. Whenever you make a purchase with your card, Robinhood rounds up your transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change for you. It's like saving without even thinking about it. Another perk is the weekly cash boosts. You can choose a specific retailer or brand each week and get a percentage of your purchases back as cash. It's like getting paid to shop. Now, let's talk about security. The Robinhood Cash Card comes with all the standard security features you'd expect from a debit card, including fraud protection and the ability to lock your card if it's lost or stolen. You can also manage your card through the Robinhood app, where you can track your spending, view your roundups, and choose your cash boosts. So, to recap, the Robinhood Cash Card can be used in stores and online, anywhere that accepts Visa, at ATMs that display the Visa or Plus logo. And remember the perks. Roundups that invest your spare change. Weekly cash boosts at select retailers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.